This is a 1-year-old mango plant producing fruit, grown as shown in this video. Cut a young pencil-thick stem from a mango tree which has produced fruits last year or this year. Prepare cuttings, about 6-inch long. The cutting must have a node at its bottom. Remove its lower leaves and cut top leaves into half. Prepare rooting soil. Mix some coarse river sand and soil to make the rooting soil free draining. Fill this soil in a small pot having drainage holes. Water well and keep in shade for half an hour to drain excess water. Planting cuttings. Apply either a chemical rooting hormone or aloe vera gel on the cutting to promote roots. Enclose pot in a polythene bag. This works as a mini greenhouse. Place bag in shade at a warm place. Open every 10 days to add a few drops of water in soil. Plant rooted cutting in free-draining nutrition-rich soil. Place in sun. Water when top 1-inch soil gets dry. This is the plant after 1 year. It has grown flowers and fruits in just 1 year. I removed the fruits in the first year so that the plant can grow. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.